this video, you will learn how to ask the people in your care what they did or what they made. Beth wnes ti? Beth wnaethoch chi? What did you do? Or what did you make? Dwedwch ar fy ôl i. Say after me. Beth wnes ti? Beth wnaethoch chi? To answer I did or I made, we say gwnes I. Look at the following examples and repeat. Gwnes I lun. I made or I did a picture. Gwnes I gacen. I made a cake. Gwnes I fwyd. I made food. We can also add any verb noun, cofio, gweld, eistedd, after this pattern in order to form a past tense. The verb noun takes a treiglad meddal, soft mutation. Enghraifft, for example, gwnes I fwyta cinio. I ate lunch. Gwnes I wylio ffilm. I watched a film. To ask what someone else did or made, we would say, enghraifft, for example, Beth wnaeth John? What did John do or make? Neu, beth wnaeth e? What did he do or make? Beth wnaeth Haf? What did Haf do or make? Neu, beth wnaeth hi? What did she do or make? A dyma rai atebion. And here are some answers. Dwedwch ar fy ôl i. Gwnaeth John swper. John made supper. Gwnaeth e baned o de. He made a cup of tea. Gwnaeth Haf goffi. Haf made coffee. Gwnaeth hi'r gwely. She made the bed. Cofiwch, remember, the verb noun takes a treiglad meddal. Gwnaeth Haf goffi. Da iawn. Cofiwch, dych chi'n gallu gwylio'r fideo yma eto I adolygu. Remember, you can watch this video again if you wish to revise.